Now, I have always loved a simple drink station. My grandparents, they had a cocktail hour every evening and neighbors would stop by. This is my version of that for spring. I'm gonna make a simple iced tea here, nothing grand. All right, looks like the tea is steeped. I'm just gonna take these bags out here. There we go. I got my tea, I'm gonna put that in the fridge along with our little lemons and lime. I'm just pulling together a few drinks to keep everything in one place. I like keeping this part just very simple. A few glasses. I want just enough on here to make it feel pulled together. Now we'll add our lemons and our limes. Just by setting up the top shelf, this already feels more put together, doesn't it? Getting this set up just makes it easy when people stop by. I've learned you really don't have to have a lot here. In fact, it works better when it's simple. It's really nice to just grab something from here during the day. Makes it easy. Everything's just ready. Now I don't have to go back and forth when people arrive. Now, this is where I can really overdo it. So I'm just keeping it real simple. If the cart is too full, you just don't want to use it. I'm going to now, I've got a simple layout, and I'm going to now show you what's going to bring it all together. Now everything's in one place and it just feels a little more welcoming. Now doesn't this give you the just stop by for a minute feeling? Now I'll have all the stuff I used today linked below, and if you set something up like this in your home, I'd love to know about it. I really appreciate you sharing this time with me. Bye. The bottom shelf, I love the idea of a simple drink station. Now, my grandparents, They had a little cocktail hour every evening, and people would stop by. Now, I love this. Oh, Kitty, get down.